Ooh, that looks like a fun tool.
That is the correct factory tool for taking off and putting on the alternator belt.
Okay, that makes sense. I see how that works. So you can see it's grooved, or it's got a thing there. Half-inch drive.
Half-inch. So most people don't want to spend the money for one of those.
What's that cost?
15 years ago, it was $100.
Screwdriver, big. Oh, you're just pushing it out of the grooves as you turn the crank. And then alternator belt.
And if you wanted to put it back on, what do we say?
Assembly is reverse of disassembly.
Assembly is the reversal of assembly. Now this is hard because I don't usually do it with screwdrivers since I have
The proper tool. Oops.
I'm probably not going to be able to do this.
It's okay. I'm betting both your arms are blocking it anyways. Hey, look at that. Just like magic. Now show me how the real tool works.
Tool to put it back on. The factory tool works. This is going to be 1 hour of taking off and putting on an alternator belt.
Yeah. I might pull this out just to do a hot tip video.
Yeah.
Just hold it with your thumb gently and spin it right round. Wow, that was incredibly easy.
And does no damage to the belt.
Or the motorcycle. Or the pulley cranker thingy.
But you can see how there's a risk of damaging the belt doing it with the...
Yeah. That's why it's okay to take it off that way, but you don't want to put it on that way.
Unless you're on the side of the road.
Yep. No rules apply on the side of the road.
That's right. And if you have the right size crescent wrench, you can actually just pop it on with the back side of the crescent wrench. I don't know if I can do that. Put it on backwards. Watch this.
Oh yeah, using the back side of the crescent wrench. How handy is that? Well, you didn't quite get it all the way in.
Yeah, but
That would get you home.
get it all the way in just by...
Forcing it. Cool.
Ta-da.
Well, I think you should take it off one more time for the crowd.
I think I should. Once again for you folks in back. My God, that's a scary thought. People in the back of the internet. What the hell? Make sure you use a metric crescent wrench when you are working on your BMW.
That's not how that works. That is metric.
This side is SAE.
Ah.
That side's metric.
So you can only use it on one side.
10.